Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 75 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions, you can compliment crew, and you can give complaints. We look at the questions. We find the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we read them so you don't have to, and we bring you the cool ones here. So on today's episode, we're talking about camouflage clothing in certain ports, digital boarding passes, mobility scooter sizes, who cleans the jacuzzis, and door decoration policy changing. Alright, question one. This cruiser has seen posts that camouflage and American flags being worn in certain ports is banned. And their fiance has an American flag tattoo that is extremely visible, and they wanted to know if that would be an issue in these ports. John said tattoos are not a problem. There are some places such as Barbados, Jamaica, and the Bahamas that do not allow camouflage clothing. That is for their military personnel only. So if you get off the boat and you have it on, they see you, they will send you straight back to the boat. A tattoo, not an issue. But don't wear camouflage clothing pretty much in any port, because that's reserved for the military of those countries. Second question, and this is kind of a follow-up with an update. Are there any plans to create digital boarding passes instead of having to print out the paper ones? An option to do one or the other would be great, the cruiser said. John said they are definitely thinking about this for sure, but he does not have a timeline, and he is way more confident than when we brought this up last time that they will be doing this. So whether they go to all digital, all paper, or combination of both, or when, he doesn't know, but the digital boarding passes are forthcoming. So if you don't like printing stuff out, we kind of do, you won't have to, but we don't know when. Speaking of like, if you like what you see, you like cruising content, please like, subscribe, and comment with any other ideas. We would greatly appreciate it. So, question 3. This cruiser asked, if you need to bring a mobility scooter, what is the maximum size for a standard room? Which is a great question, because if you've been on a cruise and you go down the hallway, it's bobbing and weaving with all the ones that don't fit in the rooms. John said it should be no bigger than 21 inches. That is for regular cabins. Of course, there are the accessible cabins where it is a bit wider, but those are very limited on the ship. So if you're bringing a mobility scooter or renting a mobility scooter, please make sure it is 21 inches or less. If it's much less, you're going to drive around like this. But 21 inches, that's your answer. This person wanted to know, how often are the jacuzzis empty and who cleans them? John said, well, it's easy. Every single day. They are absolutely emptied, cleaned, sanitized, and it's done by the housekeeping. So it's a separate division of probably your room steward, but it's the housekeeping division that does it. But they are done every day. You'll see sometimes if you go late at night, they'll have a net on it and it says hyperchlorinization in progress. So at the end of the night, they chlorinate the hell out of it just to kill all the stuff, see previous diaper comment from the last episode, that's in there, and then they empty it out overnight and they refill it the next day with fresh chlorinated water. This one, they want to know if the door decoration policy has changed. They read on a Facebook group, of course it's on the internet, it's true, that a bunch of cruisers were on a Carnival ship and the captain was announcing that you have to remove all door decorations by 2 p.m. or the housekeeping crew is going to come and take them off for you. They didn't want to waste their money and time bringing door decorations if they can't use them or if they're going to be randomly ripped down at 2 o'clock. John said, please post this wherever you read this. There are multiple people who ask the same question. It is absolute nonsense. They will not tell you to take down your door decorations at a specific date or time. So if you like doing it like we do or on the holiday cruises, or Christmas, whatever it is, you can absolutely decorate your door and you don't have to worry about housekeeping coming and taking them down. Now the little brats that are running around the hallway, they're probably going to take a couple down for you. So don't get too attached to what you put out there. Thanks for watching. That was episode 75 of Yakety-Yak. Please take care.